New legal battle. Meghan went up against many rivals for the Archetypes Trademark. Meghan Markle will have to face millions of companies in the U.S. to get her own Archetypes trademark. This past March, the Duchess of Sussex filed a patent application with Delaware's U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. Meghan's trademark, Archetypes, has caused a great deal of controversy over her ambition to monopolize. According to experts, Archetypes is a word of Greek origin and was born in 1540. It is widely used by companies in the United States, typically companies dealing in cleaning and care products. Archetypes skincare. To get this monopoly, Meghan Markle will likely face many legal battles with companies that have been using this trademark before. Many experts warn that Meghan's trademark legal battle will likely resemble Victoria Beckham's 2002 language war. On November 6, 2002, Goddess Victoria filed a complaint with the U.S. Patent Office to prevent football club Peterborough United from using her nickname, Posh. Meghan Markle would probably also be sued if the trademark Archetypes had been registered in advance. We always advise clients, however big or small, they are to file a trademark as soon as possible because in most jurisdictions, it's a first-to-file system, said Kate Chenning, brand manager at Clark Wilmot. Whoever gets there first with their trademark application would get their trademark registered. Trademark will belong to the previous registrant. This is the rule. However, Meghan Markle hastily named her new podcast episode after the label she wanted to subscribe to. This shows that the Duchess of Sussex has too asserted herself in the U.S. business market. Meghan's recklessness has surprised many experts. In a discussion of famous female MC Jeremy Vine with reporters, she said, "Archie's going to be of an age soon where he's going to tell his mom and dad to stop embarrassing him." Why is this label related to Archie, Harry and Meghan's eldest son? According to experts, the former royal couple developed their brand with names derived from Archie. You can easily recognize the brand, Archewell and Archetypes, both delivered from their son's name. Archie was repeatedly made fun of by his parents. During the former royal couple's interview with Oprah Winfrey, Archie was unwittingly drawn into a battle of honor between his mother and the royal family. Poor Archie has become a tool for Meghan to bully the royal family. She blamed them for being racist because someone was worried about Archie's skin color. Perhaps fate precedented Archie and Harry and Meghan's achievements to go hand in hand. If these Archie brands are ruined, the boy will be extremely angry at the shallowness of his parents. Here's a pungent warning from the experts for Meghan. Meghan's new podcast episode talks about female restraint. Recently, Meghan's promo was released with a series of brief introductions as follows. This is Archetypes, the podcast where we dissect, explore, and subvert the labels that try to hold women back. I'll have conversations with women who know all too well how these typecasts shape our narratives. And I'll talk to historians to understand how we even got here in the first place. Meghan Markle asserted her own brand right in the opening of the podcast episode. She thinks that just registering a trademark is, yeah, this word belongs to us. However, things are not that simple. Experts say the difficult word Meghan wants to use has to do with the history and many other companies. It probably won't heal, so she can use it as she pleases. Along with the legal battle over the trademark, experts say the Duchess will also face a legal battle over voice rights. The newly released promo has been said to accidentally infringe the copyright of the voice of famous radio personality Tom Leykis. On March 26, Tom posted a harsh status on Twitter with the following content. Who gave you permission to use my voice in a Meghan Markle promo? Accompanying this post, Tom frankly tagged Spotify to make the audience choke. It does seem that Harry and Meghan may have overextended themselves in terms of the Netflix and Spotify deals. Although, of course, we have to recognize that producing content does not just happen overnight, and high-quality programs will take many months, years to generate. Miss Pauline McLaren was really skeptical about Meghan's productive capacity. As far as she knows, producing content takes a lot of time and effort. Yet in a short time, the Duchess of Sussex and Spotify hastened to launch their new work. Many experts believe that the productive quality of this podcast episode probably won't go through the censorship stage. This means that the quality of this podcast will be middling in Spotify projects. Since the end of December until now, Meghan has really focused on her work. Miss Pauline said Harry and Meghan were too greedy to want to be involved in many areas at once. This made their projects impossible to guarantee in terms of quality. And the voice piracy of famous radio personality Tom Leykis has opened a string of lawsuits related to Spotify and Meghan's upcoming project. Many sources say Meghan and Harry have ignored Spotify's controversy over posting false information about the pandemic. However, the couple said is to sell out their partners when repeatedly reminding them to settle the scandal in a compact way. This attitude of Harry and Meghan has made Spotify fans hot. They believe that a person who delays Spotify projects for 2 years will not have the right to speak up for his honor. That friction created a bad chemistry for this new podcast episode. Many experts say that registering Meghan's trademark will make the audience even more despairing of her work. Since the delay in the Spotify and Netflix cases, Harry and Meghan have been accused of voting loudly because of their false promises. Whether or not the podcast will be a success is unknown, but Meghan's attitude suggests that she wants to monopolize the trademark so no one can steal it. This copyright registration will become a hot topic of public discussion in the coming days. What do you think about Meghan's actions on this new podcast? The trademark registration shows that she is quite passionate about her product. Let us know what you think about Meghan's strategy. See you in the next videos. See ya!